Okay, so we're gonna take a look at what we're doing today. So yes, we are doing our 6-speed swap, as you found out in the last video. I'm not going to show you how to put the engine in because you've seen that 100 times. So I also need something to drive because it's starting to snow right now, and so it's a good time to start putting your car together. Not when it's starting to snow, but after it's already been snowing for a while. I put my pedals down. Oh, you doorknob. All right. Hopefully you can see. It probably doesn't help to have that in your way, so move that, and then we'll try to work with this camera, and we'll try to go to the other GoPro and see between the two of them if you guys can see what I'm doing. So first thing we want to do is we want to get a wobbly socket. Okay, we're gonna throw our 10 mil, most likely what it is, or it's a 12, because this is how Infiniti Nissan works. Everything's the same bolt thing, and hopefully this battery lasts, because I should have plugged it in the last time I was in here when I plugged this light in, but hey, why? Well, we're gonna have conflicts everywhere, aren't we? Oh. Aha! Longer one. All right. Yes. Yes. Probably take the other side off first. So what I'm doing is I'm removing this, obviously. So we're removing the park brake kick, because I don't know if you can have it in here. I'm sure you would have to, but I'm trying to remove everything that's going to be in my way. Now, as you can see, I already have the carpet out. Now, what am I missing? Oh, yes. That's what I was hoping. I thought, you know what? This is too easy. We want 10, we want 12. Yes. All right, I'm gonna stop this, and we're gonna go to removing this brake pedal next. So I'll show you just taking this out, because you already know that way up there is 2 bolts that you really are gonna have fun taking out. Sorry. Get it out of there. There. Right. I'm gonna get that pin out. Oh, out. What? Get it out of there. I'm gonna take this box out for a minute because it's being a little pain. I know it's attached to something, but I'm trying to do work here. And it's being Good grief. No, bad dog. Okay, so this is the difference between the two pedals, and Tyler, stink man, he keeps doing things that I don't expect. He had a spare one of these in the brake on this side. Thanks, buddy. You saved my bacon, because I was a little worried. I was like, oh no, I'm gonna have to find a pin. Don't have to find a pin. So yeah, so this is, oops. So we're basically replacing all this with both of these. So calm. All right, get out of my way, you wires. I am so calm. I'm like the epitome of calm. I'm gonna get out there. Oh, yes, this is exactly what I was hoping for. Struggle. Yes, yes, yes. Oh, yes. I'm so excited about this. Pain wasn't over. I still had to modify the brake booster to make this fit. So just in case you didn't know, when you cut something with a nut on it, you want to leave the nut on for one simple reason: to cut them threads. Because if you're a wee bit off, so much fun to get this off again. And you're gonna love your life. And I don't mean that. I mean, you're not gonna love your life. I literally mean that, and you can take that to the bank. Relax. Calming. Calm. Think back to a time when you were racing, burning tires. Yes. Exerting energy in a positive way. Calm. Let's be honest here. Car stuff can push our boundaries of frustration. But after speaking with Tyler, and after a little meltdown, he was like, why don't you just cut the old pedal down? What a novel idea. So that's what I did. I used the pedal he provided to figure out the right size, and voila. Cutting time. With the brake pedal in place, you'll have to line up the clutch pedal. Once your pedal is in place, mark out your first hole, usually the easier one, which in this case just happened to be the bottom one. Then mark out the hole where the master cylinder will actually come through the firewall. A key point here is to make sure that the brake booster is in place so that you do this once, not twice like I did. I drilled multiple holes and then used a Dremel to finish off the shape properly for the main large hole. I did it this way as it would have been very hard to line up a hole saw under the dash. I'm not gonna lie, this job was another painstaking process. Once the second mounting hole is the same, you should install a clutch master first, then you can install the brake booster. Or you can do it like I did and do it twice. Now let's look at the clutch pedal. Because of how it sits in the car, we need to bend the clutch pedal in two places to reach a desired placement, which will eventually look something like this. Okay, so we've come to the end of the video here. I just wanted to show you guys what, how close that is. It's so close. Like you see that sits in behind the booster there. Have the master cylinder out. Still, it's just crazy how tight everything is. So you see that pedal sits pretty close. Let's see, getting molding again, dang it. So this is all back together. Oh man, I'm not gonna lie, this has been a lot of work. But I want to thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit that like button. If you haven't already done so, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit that bell notification so you don't miss any more content. I hope you're having a great day. Don't forget to let us know how we're doing in the comments below. I always appreciate it. And I hope you guys have a great day. I hope you're working on something fun. I hope it doesn't make you too frustrated like my project is. And we'll see you next week when we delve into the transmission mount. Yeah, that sucker is ugly, but it came with the car. I need a beer.